I think 3 trade. We had an amazing trade, guys, on gold, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed, especially at the New York session just before the news. We've been long. So if you look at here, this is the price action. This is the price high broken and price give us the confirmation. So our bias was long, by the way. So the price nicely broken at the New York session. At the news, you can see it. This is the reaction. Price came back in and give us the confirmation. That give us the high probability of continuation to the upside. As mentioned today, just keep taking a pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, we say, guys, there possibility of counter opportunity, and we had a counter op trade, and we really enjoy hit to the profit target, and most of the trader, even I liked it, really enjoyed it, this move. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit and help our traders to enjoy these trades, guys. Hello, trader. Today is the last trading day of the week. What a blessing. Friday, 5th of December 2025. We had amazing trade, guys, especially at the New York session. And yen and gold give us amazing pips, guys. Let me share with you guys how we help our traders to squeeze amazing pips through live intraday analysis. Let's look at this analysis now. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, today we still haven't seen any big moves. We were waiting for the data, the news data, inflations, and consumer sentiments. Sort of like it came out. One news was positive, consumer sentiment. We have inflation expectation that was the negative. So we have a mixed reaction of the market. But as mentioned this morning analysis, this is the point of interest we were looking on pound dollar. If the price gonna break, give us the confirmation continuation, otherwise short trade here. So as you know, the data was mixed, so we haven't seen any big moves. So we were technically we had a very small short trade on pound dollar. So we're looking for this breakout. Let's see here next week. If the based on this movement, you can see impulsive. We have a correction and expecting one more push to the upside. That's the based on the price action. This is 4 hour chart. But next week, if there's any high impact news, if the price gonna break this low and give us the confirmation, then probably looking short and then looking. This is the first target. So this kind of price action we're expecting next week. We will see. Today, let me share with you guys how we manage it. So if you look at here, we had this short trade here this morning, and we were expecting possibility price might gonna continue, but price reverse respecting this area and reverse. And then at the New York session, we had it. This analysis been broadcasted just before the news, as you can see here. News was 3 p.m. and just before 3 p.m. we did this analysis. The data was mixed, and as you can see here, the price we were expecting breakout based on this price action, 4 hours. So we had this beautiful breakout, hit to the profit target, squeeze a few pp's on pound dollar. We had a more or less the same price action on Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD this morning, as explained, my trade look for this point of interest. There might be a possibility of short. So we were expecting price came back, and you can see here this price action candle rejected. We had a short trade here, very small short trade here. Let me share with you guys the analysis. We had this beautiful analysis this morning, as explained. Look for this point of interest, look short trade here. As you can see here, the based on this analysis, price developed short, and we squeeze amazing profit short trade on Euro USD. And afterwards we also had another very small short trade, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, guys, this is not a rocket science. We explain in detail through live analysis. So we had this beautiful short trade here and hit to the 200 EMA, squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. So Euro USD, pound dollar, we had only small trade, and pound yen we had amazing trade, guys, no doubt. This morning, London morning session, we had it. Okay, just a minute. So we had this breakout, and we were expecting after this breakout continuation, because you can see this is the symmetry triangle pattern breakout. Price refused. We had this very small two pullbacks after that. You can see it three times, one, two, three time price rejected at this level. So we had a counter long trade here. Afterwards, basically, we would keep taking a pullbacks. We really enjoyed this rally, hit to the profit target, and then you can see rejection. We also had a counter short trade. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So the first in the morning, we had this pullback, which is a pretty straightforward. We have two pullbacks, as you can see, a price three-time touch and beautiful reversal. And afterwards, we had this analysis because we continuously monitoring it. So based on this analysis, which we explain in detail, as you can see here, through live and explain my trader, this is the high is broken, so I'm expecting pullback, breakout, and then keep taking a pullback. If this price gonna break, then keep taking a short trade here. So pretty standard and straightforward. We explain in more detail uh, to all our members live. So you can see a price nicely broken. Then we have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. As soon as the price hit to the certain profit target in 4 hour and the price developed over top here, this is what we suggest our traders time to enjoy some PP. Okay, so that was a beautiful long trade we had it. And afterwards, we also did another analysis, which is a pretty straightforward. Look for another breakout, price nicely broken and hit to the profit target. Suggest our trader to bank some profit based on this analysis. And we also had a counter short trade here. That is a pretty straightforward. As mentioned, when the price hit to the certain target, we look for the breakout. Based on this analysis, we have a breakout. The safest way, as always mentioned, you can see that this is the low was broken and price come back and retest, give us the confirmation. As soon as the price hit this level, then we suggest our traders time to enjoy amazing pips. So that was a beautiful short trade here on pound yen. You can see, guys, we really enjoyed it. Yen, pound yen, mostly all of the yen pairs we really enjoyed. All right, so my favorite and the best trade, I had it. I think three trade. We had an amazing trade, guys, on gold, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed, especially at the New York session just before the news. We've been long. So if you look at here, this is the price action. This is the price high broken and price give us the confirmation. So our bias was long, by the way. So the price nicely broken at the New York session. At the news, you can see it. This is the reaction. Price came back in and give us the confirmation. That give us the high probability of continuation to the upside. As mentioned, just keep taking a pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, we say, guys, there possibility of counter opportunity, and we had a counter op trade, and we really enjoy hit to the profit target, and most of the trader, even I liked it, really enjoyed it, this move. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit and help our traders to enjoy these trades, guys. So let's look at, so first we had this beautiful at the New York session, we had this beautiful breakout, price nicely broken, and then afterward, as I mentioned to my trader, news is about to come. So just wait for that. You can see just before the news, 5 minutes earlier, we had this beautiful breakout, and after that, we said, guys, let's wait for the news and let's see what kind of price action is going to develop. So the price came back. That's the news reaction, as you can see here. And we mentioned over trader, this is the high is broken. Let's see here. If the price gonna break, keep taking a short. If the price gonna break this area, then take a long trade here. So based on this analysis, as you can see here, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, give us the confirmation and shoot up. Hit to the profit target exactly, and said to my trader, enjoy the pips and let's see if we can get another counter opportunity. So we had another beautiful, amazing counter opportunity. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. Explain if the price, this is a point of interest, which you can see a price previously respected here. So price nicely broken based on that. As you can see here, the safest way, as mentioned to my trader, don't miss this opportunity, guys. We had amazing momentum, was bearish develop, and the best thing is the price broken and then come back and give us the confirmation. Then I said to guys, keep enjoying, add couple of trades. As soon as the price hit to the 4 hour and the final fib channel in our intraday system, as you can see here at this level. Thus we suggest our trader guys take a pips and run and enjoy the weekend. What a beautiful amazing gold trade we had, guys. Okay, all right guys, so I hope you had a wonderful week, positive week, and I hope you enjoy all the analysis review. But I'm very sure that you're gonna love it when you see it in real time. At the same time, you banking pips, and the same time you learning it. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, guys, and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best.